Follow along to make this out-of-this-world ornament. You need a clear plastic ornament, cotton balls, 2 to 3 colors of food coloring, glitter, water, and your glue gun. Add some water and 2 to 3 drops of your first color. Insert enough cotton balls to fill this layer. Add your second layer of water, 2 to 3 drops of your second color, and the cotton balls. Try to place the color in the middle and on the side so that it will spread out. Now add some glitter. Continue adding your layers until the ornament is filled. Add some hot glue around the edge of the ornament and place the top back on. I hope you enjoy your new mini galaxy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.